The Villages Train Show, August 17th, 2019. Let's go! I'm Tom Kovichak, and this past weekend we went to the Villages Train Show. It was a big train show, and there was a lot to see there. And this may take up 2 videos, so I'm going to split this up. I went to the train show looking for one particular item, and I found it. And let's get going with it right now. Well, at the train show in the Villages, I found an ice platform and an ice house. The only problem is I might have to do some modifications on it because, as you can see, these planks that they got down to service the ice into the reefers don't line up. So this is a 36-foot boxcar right here, and you can see the first one is lined up, but when you come over here, your doors are way over here. Okay, this is a 40-foot one, so that even makes it more exaggerated there. I got this from Citrus Model Railroad Club. They were selling off one of their members who passed away, all his models and stuff. His wife was selling it, so I picked this up for about 80 bucks. That's the ice house. It's got a nice little platform in the back. And he's got it on a foundation, block foundation. It looked like it was a JL Innovations kit, but the way he's got all the bracing in there and stuff like that, it might not be a kit. He could have scratch built it. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I got me another background building, River City Textiles. So I'll be working on that also. And I got me some double pull, double throw switches for 50 cents a piece. I think was it 50 cents a piece or a quarter piece? 50 cents a piece for them. So I got about 8 of them. Debbie found this, more Instant Horizons. She saw this over in the corner. And this is the Old West set. No, this isn't the Old West set. No, this is oh, wait a minute. This is the Old West set on one side. Did they do that? Oh my goodness. I got 2 sets in here. Didn't even realize it. That's what I got. I got 2 sets in here. Get this. Yep. This one here is the Old West, and this is the City Scene. They normally go for about $14 to $17. That was $2. That was a better deal than I thought. I thought it was a good deal. You know, I didn't look at it real close. This is the first time that I opened it up all the way, and realize that there is 2 sets in here, so we made out pretty good on that one. That was $2. And then we picked up these right here, City Classics, these billboards and stuff, $1 a piece. So the vendors and the layouts were in 2 different rooms, so we're going to start out looking at the vendors and see what kind of crowd we had there. Then we're going to move over into the train room, where we're going to take a look at the N scale and Z scale, and then later on in another video we're going to look at the rest of them. Here we are at the Villages, and this is the hall where they have the train show, but it's like about 10 after 9. The parking lot's full over there, and so is it here.
Goes Tom.
turn, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of laughter breathe. Stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now I ain't missed a 9 to 5, I don't hear it in my song. I'm gonna pull my weight, don't get me wrong. A brand new start and a whole new part, they are big old shoes to fill. I'll be there on that platform, babe, you know I will. Come on, let's ride this train. Come on, let's ride this train. Now nothing is this rush of life, you'll never find its match. So you live to be a million years. All hearts are lost by default in the time of a single beat. We're leaving on the next train, babe, so take your seat. All right. Oh, come on, let's ride this train. Yeah, come on, let's ride this train. Oh, come on, let's ride this train. Oh, come on, let's ride this train. Let's ride this train now.
that was just a small part of what we saw there on Saturday, August 17th at the Villages. Now, the next video is going to be the rest of the train layouts that we saw there, and I hope you enjoy. So, until the next time, we'll see you.